Hello everyone. How are you doing? Welcome to our channel. My name is Gabrielle, and today we are going to show you how to reset cache on Nintendo Switch. Clearing the cache on your Nintendo Switch will delete saved IDs, passwords, cookies, history, and other cached website data for each user. To begin, select System Settings from the Home menu. Scroll all the way down, highlight System and then press A to select it. Scroll down again, and select Formatting Options. Now highlight Reset Cache and press A to confirm. If there are more than one user, you will have to select the user that you wish to clear cache data for, and then select Reset to confirm. Otherwise, the process will continue with ease. Again, this procedure will delete saved IDs, passwords, cookies, history, and other cached website data, but will not affect the user's downloaded games or game save data. After the reset, you can continue using your Nintendo Switch again. We hope that this guide can help you one way or the other. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon and please do subscribe. Have a nice day everybody.